me. I can't believe that Prince Mike just disappeared.
My sister, I'm still in shock though.
You are not as shocked as I am. But wait, are you sure it's not Lolo? Because Lolo don't want Prince Mike to marry that worry girl.
No, I'm not sure. How would she do that kind of a thing?
Me, I'm sure. My mind cannot lie to me.
No, why would you talk like this now?
I know what I'm saying.
Do you know that that is his mother? How would she do that kind of a thing? The queen.
It doesn't matter. No. Some mothers are wicked.
No, it's a lie.
I know what I'm talking.
What is happening here? So if people are here gossiping, why Lolo is inside waiting for you?
Hi, girlfriend. Welcome. How was work today? You seem tired.
Work was fine.
You seem very tired.
Yes. How come you're the one setting the dining for dinner? Where is Ejiro?
Ejiro is not back from the shop. But that's by the way. You need to go freshen up so you can come to the dining and eat your food.
Ejiro is not back? What about Ife?
If he left the house this morning.
Stanley.
Will you come back here? Come back here. Where are you coming from by this time of the night? I said, where are you coming from by this time of the night?
Sister, why are you shouting? It's not like it's late. It is just 8 p.m.
What sort of useless and stupid answer is that? Now you listen to me. The next time you come back by this time of the night, you will not like what I will do to you. If you're not here by 6 p.m., then do not bother coming back. Did you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Lizzy, that was too harsh.
What was harsh? Oh wait, do you think I can handle another missing person in my life?
Oh, I see. This is all about Mike. Come on, Lizzy, you need to move on. You need to come out of this. Please come fresh.
My daughter, I know I never liked you, but I came to realize that you love my son so much. Love.
Mommy, Michael is my life. Whatever and wherever I am today is as a result of Mike's love for me. I don't even know what to do now without him.
Well, my daughter, it's over 1 year now, and you cannot continue like this. I appreciate your love for him. You have to move on with your life. You are still a young lady. I will not be fair to myself if I don't tell you this. We, the parents, we have already taken it to our feet. Let the gods take charge. Okay?
Yes. For the sake of yourself, your future, your parents, it is very important.
I have no future without my girl. I have no future.
It's okay.
It's okay.
It's okay, my dear.
It's okay. Stop crying. It's okay. Okay?
Ah.
My daughter. As you go, the God shall protect you. And don't forget to call us on phone when you get back home. Let me call these people to take you off. Guards! Guards!
Ladies, Alpha, Elizabeth don't come back.
I don't see anybody.
See the time. She never come back. If it's somebody else now, she will start shouting. Yeah. Alpha, who did this house?
Ejiro, what time did we come back yesterday?
Assist. Now for midnight una come o. Take out 1 o'clock for inside night. Now una take come. I no be small cinema you and sister the thing that do yesterday. Una just dey perform up and down yesterday.
What?
Na small thing.
How do you mean by cinema?
I be yesterday when I come for 1 o'clock. Una dey laugh. You dey laugh, they go this side. My sister dey laugh, they go this side. One bros carry you, they come inside. Another one carry her, they come inside. That be small thing, no. Fear everyone want they catch me. I'm just dey laugh, so laugh.
Are you serious? Jesus Christ.
What? I serious now. Yeah? Now what I see now talk so. Now they perform yesterday. I don't know what to take. This one they laugh. They laugh. I say true. Which kind of laugh did this one? I want to go shop now, sister. I don't cook food for them. Make una carry it. Go to shop. Later.
do this to this boy, he shall not be well with the person. No, maybe he's one of the Yahoo boys.
How can I be pregnant? How can I be pregnant? How can I be pregnant?
Lizzy, stop it. Hey, we'll definitely find an answer to this.
How? How do we find an answer? I have never looked twice at any man. Not to talk of even having.
I even missed my period as well. I think we were laid unknowingly.
Frank and Osita! Those two bastards!
That's true. No wonder we've not heard from them ever since that night. Where do they stay? I wish I knew.
What do you mean you wish you knew? They're your friends.
Yes, but I always meet them at the guest house.
Jacinta, you never cease to amaze me. Oh my goodness, how did I get myself entangled in all this? How? Of all people? Those disgraceful set of humans? Now look at us. Two best friends. Hey! Two best friends are pregnant at the same time.
I'm sorry. I'm really, really sorry.
At my age. What do I tell people? How do I tell this story? God. Sorry, please. There's this very tall guy and the short chubby one. Do you know where they stay?
I didn't know.
No, they always come here.
I didn't know. I just don't know.
One has bears.
I didn't see anyone that.
He's actually fresh, average height.
Lizzy, just calm down, okay?
Calm down? How do you expect me to calm down when the doctor said I can't get rid of this? How do you expect me to calm down? There are over 20 girls who have done D&C non-stop and nothing happened to them. Why is my own different? This is my first time. Why can't I get rid of this? Why is my own different?
Come on. Don't see it that way. He only said you run the risk of losing your life. And I won't even advise you to go for it because your life is more important.
This is my worst nightmare. There is no way I'm going to keep this child with no father. Jacinta, what about you? What are you going to do?
I'm keeping mine.
What? Have you gone nuts? For who?
Jacinta, I am here thinking about how to get rid of mine and you want to keep yours? Do you even understand the implications of single motherhood?
Well, I've decided to keep mine. And that's why I'm advising you not to get rid of yours. Your life is more important.
My mother. She will just pass out on hearing this news. And my job. I would lose my job if I keep this pregnancy. Because there's no way I'm going to hide this forever.
Please stop complicating issues. Your mother will not find out because Efe and Ejiro will be going back to worry. As for your job, you can hide the pregnancy till 6 months. Then you can face the reality of hiding your child. Besides, you are the breadwinner of your family. So nobody would even have the guts to face you. I'm only telling you this because of your mother's health.
Sister, I don't even understand what you're saying. That Ejiro and I will go back to Warri for a while. And they're not even giving us any good reason for it.
Ife, I understand. But this is a situation beyond my control. And I wouldn't want you both to be asking me too many questions, else it will make me go crazy. It will make me lose it.
Sister, I'm sorry for the disrespect, but if you're not giving me any good reason to go back to Warri, then I'm not going. I can't just abandon my studies. I'm not going back to Warri. If you want me to leave your house, that's fine. We'll leave your house. But I'm not going back to Warri.
If you walked out on me, Ejiro, are you not going to say anything?
Sis, I won't go inside.
Why are you doing this to me? Why are you doing this to me, your own sister? For 3 years now, I have seen you through school. I'm just asking you for some months away. Is that too much to ask?
Sister, why are you bothering yourself? That's exactly what I'm doing. I'm just leaving your house for a while.
Efe, you are angry. For 2 days now, Ejiro will not talk to me. Why are you people doing this to me?
You sit there here, you dey waste time. Make we dey go, time don dey go, John. What happened? Why you dey hold me now? Eh? You say make we come out for your house. Now we won't come out, you dey cry. Me no go understand which one wey you dey. Okay, name. You say make we dey go, you dey cry. You say make we no stay here, make we no go. Which one you want make we do now? Eh? No worry yourself, oh. I don't come beside what come. I don't go back for you. Now movement like this, so. No worry yourself. Stay for your ass now. What do you want? You say make we dey go now. Why you come dey beg? Okay,
Ejiro, Ejiro.
Leave them to go. Leave them to go. These people are so disrespectful and ungrateful.
They are my siblings.
If it's me, I would have slapped out their dirty mouth. Nonsense. Stop crying. Stop crying.
To hold this family, okay, so that you don't lose it.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Come in.
Lizzy.
You're not done with your own checkup.
Oh, I'm done.
Have you felt your baby kicking? Because today I felt mine kicking. I'm serious, no.
Wow. Mine just kicked as well. That was exactly what I was telling her before you came in.
Ladies, we are done for the day.
Thank you very much.
You know, sometimes I see this baby in my dream. He talks to me.
Really?
Yes. I am so happy. I can't wait to see how he looks like.
Me too. I can't wait for mine to be born.
As a matter of fact, I must tell you, you are the most pretty pregnant woman I have seen. Look at you now. You're still looking very hot. You didn't even add weight. Unlike me, my chick.
I'll definitely add weight the moment I go to bed.
Are you sure?
Yes. I know you will lose everything.
It's just that, sometimes I get really scared.
Why? You don't have to be scared. You need to be strong for this baby. I mean, we need to be strong.
Right?
Yes!
I can't wait. When he'll start calling me, Mommy.
Right? Lizzy, no, yeah? Come on, you shouldn't have come. You should be resting.
Yes. If I had to come and see you.
I'm sorry for what happened, okay? Only God knows why it happened this way.
Why me? After all my suffering.
It's okay, don't cry, please. Please, I don't want you to cry. You know you are too weak for this. My baby is still yours. Don't cry, okay?
Miss Lizzy, from the look of things, I happen to be the one doing you a favor. Hope you know that. All you need to do is just get money for your ticket. And again, I am providing an accommodation for you over there. I mean, I expect you to work things around. Okay?
So, what would I be doing when I get there?
When you get there, you relax. Look at what works over there. You gather money and set up a business over there.
I don't have much money on me. I don't have enough money to set up any business now.
Well, to a large extent, I believe I've tried for you. Alright, at this junction, I need to cut the curtain. I mean, even Father Christmas has limits. So, for now, there's nothing I can do for you.
Can you please give me some time to think about it?
Well, in that case, no problem. You have my number. Once you're ready, just call me. Alright?
I've made up my mind. I'm traveling. I mean, what am I still doing here? I lost my job. I woke up one morning like a joke. The love of my life disappeared. I got impregnated by a man I barely know. Like a joke, the nurse told me that the baby is dead. What else is left? What again?
Lizzy, what have you gone through that you're complaining? I think you should reconsider your decision.
I believe I'm making the right decision. I need a breath of fresh air. A new environment. And the only way to achieve that is by traveling out. I need to go and start up something for myself, and I believe with time I will bounce back. I'll be back. Trust me. All I want you to do is to take care of my siblings, my mother, and my house. I'll be back. I'll be back. Trust me, Jacinta.
It's fine. If you have made up your mind, who am I to say no? When are your younger ones returning? And have you told them you're traveling out?
Not yet. I plan on telling them when my visa is out. And they're still very cold about returning.
Oh. Okay. If they are comfortable where they are, there's no need, then it's fine. But I think you should go and apologize to them instead of leaving them in the cold.
If you say so.
Yeah, that's the right thing to do.
Welcome.
Thank you.
Where is Efe? Efe dey inside.
I
make I call am. Efe Ogane! Efe! They come, sis they call you. What you want bring come now? How your body?
I'm okay. Yes. Please sit, eh?
Good afternoon.
Let me tell am me boy, good afternoon. I'm a lot boy.
Ejiro. Efe. As you all know, I'll be traveling soon. As a matter of fact, I just went to pick up my documents. Every paper needed for my trip is here. Efe, this is for you. That money should be enough to see you through school. Alright? Ejiro, you wouldn't be needing anything?
It's me, I do okay. Don't worry, I do okay, I do fine.
Well, you both know that I have been through a lot lately. But the ones you know are the ones you have no idea of. One thing I want you both to have in mind is I love you so much. So very much. And I would want you both to accord Jacinta same respect you accord me. I wouldn't be gone for too long. Say a year or thereabout. I'll be back. Ejiro.
Please.
I want you to take care of Efe. He is your younger one. Alright?
Thank you.
To me anyhow now, I'll go back to my car and drive off.
Okay, you not fit. Okay, say you not fit. They're not born you where? Eh? You not see me when you dey pass.
Alright,
I be a sumo for your eye.
Alright. I am sorry for splashing water on you. okay?
You say waiting. I been in the afternoon with this, so not be daytime be this. Your eye cover. You dey drive motor wey pass you. You know they see road. You don't see me. You don't see me. You don't see me. As I did like this, so me Ejiro. You don't see me.
I am not just sorry. I am so sorry. Please forgive me. Okay?
You sorry? Make I forgive you. Make me forgive you. Just like that. Eh? Make I just forgive you like that.
Alright. I will take you to wherever you're going to. Okay?
Before Uncle, you been wanting me for here before. You wanted me for here before? Eh? When I go to drive, when I not go to look where they go. If you not go see road, you not go buy a glass, make you the see road. I mean, carry me make I go straight, man, they go where they go. When you drive motor any year, the drive motor way past you. You don't go back and catch motor no let you. Okay, open the hand and they open this one first. Open Nana. So, hey, okay, name. Okay, open Namo. I don't send you message.
Never come now.
She will come. You let this girl stay here?
Mama, yes.
You dey try me?
Madam, please, I'm sorry.
What do you mean by say you dey sorry? So now me and you can't get this shop. Now you want to tell me what I want to do for my own shop again? If I go open my eye, maybe you don't vanish come out for here. No.
I promise, it won't happen again. No. Promise.
No, you never dey serious, so. Now you and your mama, you go house, go carry her come. But she can't help you beg. And as you dey come, I go tell you what you go bring come. You dey hear me because two man are not there for one store. Come on for here. Come on here. I dey open it. I dey open it for nothing like this. You are not serious. You never come up and down. I say you know where. Why you allow me enter my store? Come on, just what it. I'm not loving this. When we ever dey serious, we're gonna come up and down. They find wetin no found for store. And so they tell them work. Oga, I beg, make you no vex. That's all these girls they do. Their matter tire me. They don't dey serious at all. And here now the man is small. Don't know where I did now.
Nice place. My name is not Oga. My name is Dr. Ken.
No wahala. Thank you. Wait till carry me come.
I'll come and check you from time to time, okay?
Sister, we want discuss something with you. Make you know vessel.
Go ahead.
Sis, this your friend wey dey our house since. Now when he go come, they go.
Ejiro, what sort of stupid question is that? My boyfriend can stay as long as I want him to stay. Do you understand?
Sis, the matter never reach quarrel. This your grandma, they always dey too plenty for everything where they talk. You know, to feel wetin I talk. The truth be say, if Sister Elizabeth dey, she no go gree that kind thing. You don't take away the bros dey here now.
Ejiro, if I show you the other side of me, you will not like me. Ejiro, you will not like me. Hey!
business do you have with my boyfriend? So you're not the one to tell me when my boyfriend should come or when my boyfriend should go? Ejiro, when did that one start?
Sister, never reach quarrel.
I don't blame you.
So, you no go. You go stay.
Bush girl. Nonsense. Baby.
How are you?
I'm fine.
I've been needing some money.
What for?
Personal needs.
Personal needs.
Yeah.
Jerry, I just started my business. I don't have money to be throwing around.
Wait, if I got you well, giving me money for my personal needs is now throwing around, right?
Come on. I didn't mean it that way.
Then how did you mean it? Now tell me how.
Okay, how much are we talking about here?
Just 200k.
What? 200k?
Yes.
That's huge.
Oh, really?
Jerry! 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 Babe! I'm sorry.
Okay, Meme. Okay. How you come make me feel like this?
I did not make you fear. I startled you.
Oga, whether na scared or which one you call am?
Not scared. Not scared. I scared you. Say it.
I bet here no be school. Make I no go bite my tongue. Hey, you scared me.
You scared me.
No wahala. You scared me.
Scared.
No wahala. I don't agree. Scared.
Alright.
Now wetin you dey find for here? Oh goodness, wetin come pretty for this my face? I don dey waka o. I no be small pikin. My mind dey.
Alright, actually I came to take you out.
You wan carry me comot?
Yes.
No, I wan dey for my shade. I no go too wan comot.
No, now I will not take much of your time. Please. Don't say no, please.
You sure?
I won't take your time. I promise.
I no trust you.
Can I help you with your bag?
I go fit carry am. Jumoke! Make you take care of shop o. I dey come now, you hear? Like make una go dey waka waka.
Alright.
This one you're excited. What happened?
Go see that my friend, that my doctor friend. So you carry me go plenty place for inside the town today. You buy some things for me. I even buy some for you, sir.
So you mean that like this now? You now have a doctor boyfriend.
Ha! Me I no talk so. Ha! Why you dey put words on my mouth? Oh, your neck be call.
Still the same thing. Whether he is now, he will still be your boyfriend.
But now he no be my boyfriend.
Sorry. What are you saying? Continue.
So he will give me 200,000, sir. Yes, sir.
You 200,000.
Sorry, if I may ask. What kind of doctor is he? Is he a native doctor or a herbal doctor?
He no be native doctor. He na a doctor wey get hospital. He get hospital for inside town. Which area be this so VVC side?
It's VGC.
Anyone.
Must be a very big boy.
In hospital for them.
What will a doctor as rich as he is be doing with a girl like you who can't even express herself?
Me, I don't know. I don't know that too.
You need to be smart, oh. You need to be smart in this town. I don't know what is wrong with you. You need to be careful. All these men, they will sleep with you and dump you. They will get you pregnant and even deny it. I mean, what will a medical doctor as rich as him be doing with a girl like you who can't even express herself properly? Are you that daft?
Me, I no play draft with them. I no play draft. Now my boyfriend be this, Ken. Ken!
Jacinta.
Ken! You know him? Ken! You know him? You know Ken before? Jacinta! Jacinta! Sure? So, Jacinta na your girlfriend?
Yes. And I loved her so much.
Now what can happen?
It's a long story. And a sad one too. But it's all in the past. Ejiro. What matters to me now is that I love you so much. That's how I feel about you. And nobody can change it. Nobody.
Ken, me no go fit friend you. I no go fit. Sister Jacinta, she no go like am. I no wan enter any problem. She get wahala too much. Abeg.
But is she your blood sister?
She no be my sister. She be my sister friend, Lizzy. All of us don dey together way back. We dey for school before we come here, they stay together. Then my sister come travel go abroad. No, I'm not sure whether I go work.
Listen to me. Please. I know Jacinta too well. She's a troublesome person. Yes. While you are staying here with her, please, you have to be very careful. And she lies a lot too. And as for your sister Lizzy, she is a wonderful person. She's a very nice girl. I can vouch for her character. She's someone I know too well. Yes. She's going out with one of my friends. Then Prince Mike. Yes. But I don't know if they are still together again.
Prince Mike. That one, I saw him go village. He no come back again. Since that time, nobody see him. Even his papa, his mama, they said they no see him.
Are you kidding me? Mike was my very close friend. God, how do we just lost all this contact?
Hey, stop there. Why did you go out when I asked you not to?
I know if he go out again. I go escort my friend now.
How dare you disobey me? Nonsense.
like this?
I did fine. Only say something just dey bother me.
What was it?
Eh? You don't check am say since wey Sister Elizabeth travel. She never even call us for once. You no call me. You no even call. You no call anybody.
Omo, that thing bothers me too. And Mama even called yesterday sef. From the look of things, she will be on her way here very soon.
Hey, make Mama come now. I want see Mama. Don't take small, I never see her. This Sister Elizabeth matter just they bother me before. Yesterday, my brother, Jacinta raised her hand up, slapped me yesterday.
Eh?
As he slapped me that yesterday, I don't want cause trouble. You know, say time don't go that yesterday, and before I wake up, say make I say, can't tell you. You sef you come out very early today.
Since yesterday, you not tell me. Where is that one, sef? Why will she slap you? Where is she?
She there inside.
Come, let's go inside. Stand up. Stand up. Why will she slap you? My sister told me you hit her.
So? What do you mean by so? Now what did that one call me now? You know slap me. Not be slap, you slap me. She no hit me or she slap me.
And why will you hit her?
Efe, I not tell you say she hit me. Now slap, she slap me. Abi you no slap me. I dey ask you, talk now.
Look at you. Lousy, stupid, illiterate. And you, go teach your sister some manners. Then we can now talk.
Listen very carefully. This is my sister's house, and you have no single right to treat either of us like shit.
Wait, your sister's house? Your sister's house? You both are still backdated though. But don't worry, very soon, reality will fall down on you both.
What was this one saying? What was this one talking about?
Leave am! Leave am make she dey speak English, eh? Make I tell you, eh? Whether na Jess, abi na Jess wetin be that your name, eh? Make I tell you, if you like, speak English from here. Go Sokoto, come back. I won't warn you. Make I warn you well. Another time when you go raise it on your hand, say you won't slap me. I go tell you what they call me Ojiro. I go tell you say na for the real Wafi village they born me. Try am again. As you dey hear like person wey rub red on your soul. Try me again. Okay. For my sister house, you want to spread like a Matam breeze. Try me again. You go see am, you go know what they call me Ojiro. Let's go. Show yourself, Abi. Hey, okay, then. For my sister house, I need to show yourself. Try am again. I go tell you say na me be Ojiro. Your mind go there.
Look at them. Look at them. Stupid fellows. Nonsense.
Sorry, my dear. What did you say is your name again?
My name is Lizzy, ma.
Lizzy. How old are you?
I'm 30, ma.
30? You look too mature and too intelligent to be a maid. I don't think I would need that.
Ma, please. Please help me. I really need this job. Please.
Madam Betty, please. She's my sister. And I'm sure she would deliver very well. Please.
I won't disappoint you.
Anyway, because of Uka here, but I'll pay you 15,000 naira per month. You take care of the house and also do the cooking.
It's fine, ma. Thank you. Thank you so much.
It's alright, you can start tomorrow.
God bless you, ma. Thank you.
Thank you, Madam Betty. God bless you.